Hello GCC, welcome to Lewis Dot Structure 2 with Dr. Kim. We're going to draw the Lewis dot structure for the ion PO3 with a -3 charge. Hope you remember our steps. We're going to count the valence electrons. We're going to put the center atom surrounded by the other atoms with single bonds. Everybody needs to have 8 electrons except hydrogen needs 2. And then finally we check our total electrons, make sure it equals what we added up in number 1. So PO3 with a -3 charge, we're going to underline the P. First thing we do is add up the number of electrons, valence electrons. Phosphorus is under nitrogen in column 5. This means it has, you're right, 5 valence electrons. Then I have 3 oxygens. So 3 times how many valence electrons oxygen has. Oxygen is in column 6. This means it has 6 valence electrons. Now we need to take into account the charge, -3. Does -3 mean that the group PO3 has gained 3 electrons or lost 3 electrons? So it's -3. Now electrons have a negative charge. If I'm PO3 and I had 3 negative electrons that went away, the negative charge would be somewhere else and I would have actually become +3. So the -3 must mean we gained 3 electrons. We have 3 more electrons that are negative than what we started. So if I gained 3 electrons, how does that affect the number of electrons? You're correct if you said we need to add 3 electrons to our total because of the -3 charge. So we have 3 times 6, which is 18, plus 5, plus 3, gives us 26 electrons total. Our next step is to put P in the center. It is connected to 3 oxygens. We always start with single bonds. So I connect my phosphorus to 3 oxygen atoms with single bonds. Remember, step 3, everyone needs 8 except hydrogen needs 2. Let's look at the top oxygen. Currently around it, it has a bond. A bond, a single bond, is 2 electrons, so it needs 6 more. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This oxygen is the same. It has a single bond, meaning 2 electrons, so it needs 6 more. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And finally, the bottom oxygen is the same. It needs 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Don't forget the center atom. What do we have around the center atom? Well, we have 3 single bonds, which is 2, 4, 6 electrons, so it only needs 2 more. 7, 8. Now everybody has 8. So, finally, step 4. We need to check the total electrons and make sure it equals what we added up in number 1. So let's count our electrons. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26. Yes. That equals 26 electrons. Single bonds worked. Our Lewis dot structure is complete.